We are at row 9 and 10. Put in a fringe, white weaver, wove over. I did the black fringe, loop fringe, and we are weaving row 9, black over 2 twice. So I'm doing a double turn, and then we go white over 2 warps twice, so double turn, and we're at the black over 2 twice. We're doing a double turn, and my bird is singing over there, and white. So we are at, see, we went black, white, black, white, and then we're going to go black over 2 warps twice. See, my birdie is distracting me. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and it's going white over 2, and then black 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Row 9, we just went over 2 warps with white, and now we're jumping to 4 black. And this is going to be 7 black. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we're going to put in 2, and then 2 black twice, 2, oops, got ahead of myself. I forgot to do the double turn, looking at the pattern. Double turn, 2 blacks, white, double turn, following the bars, the lightning pattern, double turn, black, black, repeat, double turn, 2 black, 2 white, double turn, 2 white, 2 black, repeat, double turn, and 2 black. We have a little pin to hold our fringe. And ready for row 10. We are on row 10. So I know by looking at the graph, we need to grab the white weaver, go behind 2 because we have to go over 4 with the black, 4 warps. And from the pattern, we know 4 black, 4 white, 4 black, 4 white, 4 black, 10 times over 4 black. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we're at the 10th black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here I'm going to do a double turn of black. So it's going to follow these bars. A little closer to me. I'm weaving in a long angle. And we follow those at 4s, 4 warps, as if it's going to do a weave. Black fringe is going to go over there and wait. Take a turn as if we're going to weave. The black fringe is going to turn over and just gently do a twist. That goes over 2, 2, 2, and ending on that 2 warps. Here and do this fringe, and now we are going to be ready for row 11 and 12. Make sure they're laying nice and straight. Kind of just give it a little reminder of staying where it was just woven, making sure they don't bunch up.